What's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, March 24th. We'll go over today's price action. Another really dumb and rough day for me, missing out on profits that I should have had. Let's get into it. Coming into today, super bearish. I mean, take a look at the 4-hour chart. We're going down. It's that simple. I was actually on the charts at like 8:30, and yeah, price action was looking pretty solid, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. If we go to the 15-minute, open was like right around here, so this is the area we're looking at right now. Yeah. So we open up a 15-minute gap, we open up a 5-minute gap, generate some liquidity here, we dump a bit, we actually make an SMT with ES, and we do exactly what we need to do to get out of the SMT and go lower, and that's to rebalance. So if we go to the 30-second, we come into the 15-minute gap and the 5-minute gap kind of right as market opens. We're respecting this 15-minute gap perfectly while sweeping liquidity here. And yeah, I make a mistake that I haven't made in a really long time. Yeah, we open up a 30-second, or we close through this 30-second gap, and yeah, price action is looking beautiful. I see the close. I hesitated because if you look on the 2-minute, we open up a 2-minute, and I see that and I go, oh, okay, like I'd want the 2-minute to close. I still have strong bearish bias. I want this low to get taken out. We're not a consequent encroachment out of the 4-hour gap. We're going to seek lower prices at market open here. And that's what I was confident that was going to happen, and that's exactly what happened. The 30-second closes, the 2-minute doesn't. I hesitate, but I end up entering. I end up doing the right thing. I enter. My bias was strong. I was confident. I thought, okay, if I wait for this 2-minute close, I'm not going to get an entry. It's going to blast through, and I'm going to have no risk to reward. There's not going to be a good entry. So I enter, about here. Price goes not in my direction, so I get in my head and I go, fuck, like, maybe I should have waited for the 2-minute. Like, shit. Price comes back to my break-even point, and I leave the trade. I exit like a dumbass. Again, like, ruining my mental capital. I exit the trade because price rebalanced on the 30-second chart. It's what it's supposed to do, even if my entry's correct. But yeah, we close through this 30-second. And then at that point, I exit, and I'm praying we get a 2-minute entry, and we just don't get a 2-minute entry at all. And yeah, I end up watching price just run to my TP after I just exited a perfect trade. And yeah, that's just like brutal. It really is brutal. Like, good learning experience, sure, but it's brutal. It's just like this. Again, like, this is a mistake I haven't made in so long, but yeah, I don't know. And it ends up working out perfectly. And then, yeah, just to continue on with my trading day, this 5-minute gap forms, we test it, we resweep at consequent encroachment, and then we inverse the 5-minute gap, and I enter. We're on a bearish trend, 1 5-minute gap gets inversed, and I enter for some reason, and then we chop for about an hour. Just to bring us back to the 30-second, we chopped for about an hour, and I was in pretty much in drawdown the entire time. And I'm like, yeah, we should probably not be in this trade. This is terrible. What am I doing? Right about here, we get back into profit. So I'm like, okay, let's just put our stop at break even. If we get stopped, whatever. Shouldn't be in the trade anyway. Let's just be risk free. Cool. We go stop here, or we get stopped out at break even. I'm like, okay, it's been chopping for the last hour. It's not my day. I missed the first trade. Let's just get off the charts. And we just have, right as I make the decision to go break even, we have a 125 point move in my direction. Yeah, I mean, again, this doesn't mean anything. Again, we would have got like stopped out, but I was kind of like shooting for this, the 5-minute play. But yeah, I mean, that just doesn't matter. It's just like my luck how literally right here we go break even, stop, run 125 points in my direction. Whatever. Again, I guess this is a learning experience. Something that I should note is, okay, we make an SMT in the higher time frame. We've rebalanced this 15-minute gap and then get an inverse off of it. That means the SMT is probably not going to hold. We're probably going to want to just, the market's going to treat these as relative equal lows and not as an SMT anymore. So yeah, that's what happens. Fear today, I guess. Again, just so disappointing. And I think that's all I got. I've clearly fallen deeper in my chair out of disappointment and disgust. But I guess we'll throw this in the journal. We'll throw this on the YouTube, and hopefully my future profitable self will look back at this and laugh. Yeah. I guess that's it. See ya.